Hey you guys, I'm Jay.
And I'm Lisa.
We're Our Simple Adventures, and now we're doing something just a little bit different here. We are in Abilene, Kansas. Be right back.
My apartment is a mess. There's no room for happiness.
Okay, right up here is I-70, and there, Salina, Kansas, that way. I don't know, 23 miles. But Abilene, Kansas, we are here to do the President Eisenhower's Presidential Library Museum. He was born here in Abilene, Kansas. So we're planning that for tomorrow. But on this trip back to Phoenix, we are going to do some motel, and we're looking. You guys, we know we like reasonably priced motels and campgrounds and all that stuff, like everybody should. But we want it to be livable, relatively nice, not dirty. But we are in the Super 8 here in Abilene. This we got this for $70. When I walked in, she said $84. Well, I saw online through like Expedia or whatever it was cheaper than that. But you can't trust that either. So I always like to come in and then negotiate a deal. Always try to negotiate. They don't have to, but you don't have to pay the price either. So we wound up getting this room, single. Nice, clean. Is it perfect? Is it a Trump Tower? No, but it looks comfortable. It's clean. Nice mural. Bathroom's clean. This is on the second floor, and this is the second room. So they sent us down to the first floor first, and there was no carpet here. There was tile. It was damp and dank, and we had the room to face the same direction. But and then there was a little what Lisa thought we thought were like mouse turds on the tile floor, or rat turds or whatever. But I took him up to the office, with a Kleenex, of course, and she said, "Oh, those are roly polies." Mm-hmm. Roly polies. It's those little black bugs that they'll roll up in a ball. I haven't seen those since I was a kid, but apparently they're roly polies, and there was like a half a dozen, like right inside the door. So I took them up there, and they gave us this room, which is better, nicer, carpet. It actually feels cooler. Like I said, it felt dank down there. But anyway,
you don't hear the freeway, which is good. You don't hear it.
No, you don't. So yeah, we'll let you know how this goes. The stay is here, and we're gonna go tour the Presidential Library, but that won't be in this video. Okay. Lisa's already in the car. We're gonna go eat some look around Abilene, and looks like there's a good Mexican restaurant we're gonna stop at. We'll try and take you guys in there too, but I'll show you the Super 8 as I walk out. Very decent. Not sure if they just bought it or what, but it is painted. Looks like it's freshly painted, and carpets are clean. Like I said, we're on the second floor. There's the third floor. Show you the lobby here just a little bit. Okay, go out there?
Yeah, you can go.
I'm just showing the lobby a little bit here. Lobby. Nice lobby. They have a continental breakfast in the morning.
You can go in and out as long as we'll prop it open. It's just for other people, not.
Oh, I won't prop it open.
I mean, well, it's already about hey, you can come in and out, but like at night we'll show you for security reasons. You can go in and out if you want.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Okay. Here's Legion, BBJ. Here's the Super 8. You guys all know what a Super 8 is. Yeah. So, okay, let's go get some Mexican. Okay, Monday, what day is this? August 12th, 2024. This is Abilene downtown. It is 3:45 in the afternoon. We didn't eat lunch. We are starving. And here's La Fiesta. La Fiesta, Mexican restaurant and bar. Monday, half price margaritas. All right. But look at this place. I already stepped in. I forgot to bring you guys in, so I came out to get you. You're welcome. This is really cool.
I'll be here. I'll come back. I just had to go to the doctor.
Wow. This is. Oh, you already got chips, huh?
Over chips.
Chips and salsa. This is cool. Look at that, you guys. Trying not to get any other patrons. There's some piñatas back there. All right, let's see how they do food-wise.
Yeah.
We'll get back to you guys. Okay, we got our drinks. Half-price margaritas on Mondays. You said that's 24 ounces for full price is $10.49. So you get this for $5.25.
Yes.
24 ounces.
Yes.
Be careful. Be careful. And I'm doing a 22-ounce ultra right now, but I am gonna do one of those probably after that. Chips, salsa is really good. So far, so good. Okay, here we go. What'd you get?
Shredded beef.
Shredded beef.
Burritos, 2 of them, but with all green sauce and then beans and rice that came with it.
Ooh, that looks good. I got the burrito especial. Ground beef burrito, cheese, what you can see. Okay, so, I also, there's my margarita. Drum roll, please.
Alright, let's see. Ooh, it's gonna be hot.
We have a winner. We have a winner. Okay, we'll check in when we're done.
A picture of it?
Okay, look at this, you guys. This isn't just painted. This is 3D. This has been carved. This has been sculpted. The tables are all painted different. The back of every booth. See, it's sculpted. This is beautiful artwork. Every single booth. This is beautiful. Anyway, let's go outside. Sculpted. Look at this. Beautiful Mexican art. Wow. Okay, let's go out. You coming? Oh my goodness. How was that?
That was delicious. It was one of the best Mexican restaurants that I've eaten at, even living in Phoenix.
We live in Phoenix. There's a Mexican restaurant on every corner. And La Fiesta, Abilene, Texas.
Great specials. There's the specials right there.
I've never had that flavor on that burrito. It was awesome. Yep, here's the specials. Half price on Monday. You guys can read them. Wonderful. Okay, on to the next town, going back to Phoenix. We will review a motel and a restaurant there too. See you there. Okay, you guys, we just got to Liberal, Kansas here about a half hour ago. We're starving. We missed lunch again. It's about pushing 5 o'clock now. But we got a recommendation for this. El Amigo Chavez Comida Casera Steaks and Seafood. Lisa's already inside. I actually forgot to bring you guys along, so I had to run back to the motel, which we're going to show you that motel too. The budget motel, budget restaurants for traveling. I asked them if I could film in here, and they said yes. They said si, senor. Lisa. It didn't take you very long, did it?
Not really, no.
It didn't.
I'm surprised you wrapped it as quick as yours.
Okay, I already drank a beer. The salsa is awesome.
They gave me fresh, warm chips, and I ordered some guacamole, which is very good. Lots of chunky guacamole, croutons in that.
Very cool. Okay, we'll show you what we get when we order. Yeah, sorry guys, the camera battery died at El Chavez. It was good, but not as good as La Fiesta the night before. It's worth a visit though. Okay, you guys, we got back from El Amigo Chavez about a half hour ago. Got some charge on the GoPro. And this is where we're at. Roadway Inn. It's right on Highway 54. Going through Liberal. Free continental breakfast, free high-speed internet, AARP senior rates, HBO, gasoline. Got a nice machine. There's the where you get your continental breakfast in the morning. You get out of the wind here. Yeah, just one of your old motor courts. You know, Route 66 type motor court. We're starting to really love these things. Budget friendly. Super nice people at the desks. And we'll go show you the room here quick. Miss Lisa's in here. Hey, I showed them the outside of the lobby, not inside.
Well, this is the room. It's a good room. It's real basic, nothing fancy about it, but it is clean. The toilet and the shower is separate, and the over here, then behind this little wall is the mirror and bathroom. Behind this little wall is the sink, so it's just kind of nice. So you can have two people, someone showering and someone getting dressed. And probably the best part of it is the bed. We stayed in this room once before, or this hotel, and the bed is very firm, and it was just wonderful.
Just over a week ago on the way up to Iowa, that was the best night's sleep we had.
Best night.
It was great. Those travels, yeah.
Yeah. So
we're hoping for that tonight.
You get the microwave. You get a refrigerator. Wi-Fi. I think there's a little continental breakfast. So not bad. $65, I think.
$65.
$65.
Yeah, and I think that was including taxes. So that's it. $65.
Yeah. Like I said, clean and very comfortable.
Yeah, and compared to down there, you see Days Inn, Hampton Inn. There's a Holiday Inn Express. There's a Fairfield. All those are going to cost you over $100. Probably Holiday Inn Express, probably 150. I don't know.
If that's what you want, then there's lots of choices there.
Yeah.
Lots of choices for something that a little more luxury. This is just a real basic.
And that's what we're doing here. We're just trying to show you guys. You got the same comforts here, and they're clean. They may not be updated, but they're clean and comfortable. Anyway, okay, let's go to our next destination tomorrow, which we're not exactly sure where that is.
We'll see you then.
Be right back. Okay, you guys, we left Liberal and decided to go 9 hours today. So we are now in Holbrook, Arizona. and we were at a Days Inn. $65. It's got a pool. It's got a hot tub. Hot breakfast in the morning. My gosh, $65. So, but anyway, I wanted to we'll show you the room in the morning. But here's one of those Arizona sunsets. Yeah. Beautiful. And it's Arizona dry too, after the humidity back in the Midwest. Well, I love the Midwest, but you know, it gets humid there. But yeah, unbelievable. Hot breakfast, pool, hot tub. And we'll show you the room here. Good morning, you guys. Here we are. It's like 7 o'clock in the morning, Wednesday, August 15th. We'll show you the room. It's kind of messy because we slept in it, but forgot to show it to you last night. But what'd you think of it? How'd you sleep?
It was a very good bed, nice and firm. I didn't sleep just because it's a different bed, so
Yeah.
otherwise it was a very comfortable bed.
I think it's the best bed we had in these 2 weeks of travels.
Yeah.
But yeah, clean. Remember, this is $65, and we just had a full hot breakfast, scrambled eggs and sausage, and yeah, they're coffee, juices. Yeah, and it was 63 degrees when we got up this morning. Now we're headed back. Now we're headed back to Phoenix, and 105 for high, and like low 80s for the low, which I guess we'll take that better than mid 90s a month ago. So okay, so that's going to wrap it up for this. Know where Lisa popped off to, but anyway, we love you guys. Love each and every one of you. It's budget travel. You can find real decent places, good food. So we love you guys. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, and we'll see you. Look for the Dwight D. Eisenhower Presidential Museum and Library. That'll be coming here too. Love you guys. Bye. Okay, you guys, we're headed out. We wanted to show you. This is where we ate last night. Mesa Italiana restaurant and the Mesa Sports Bar and Grill. Sports Grill, or Grill and Sports Bar. Anyways, divided in half. That side is probably a hard drink and sports bar. We were in there, and they have their own little menu. And this side is Italian restaurant. Lisa had spaghetti and meatballs that looked really good, smelled really good, and they'll bring the food over here from the sports bar. And I had fish dinner, which was okay. It was okay. But anyway, we just wanted to show you that before we headed out of town. And back to the heat of Phoenix.